Negril Police Station, what's your emergency?
You alright, and now water commission cut off my light and me can't get forged nigga jeez.
Please check to ensure you have enough credit to make this
Tell
call.
you, man, me had a girl who me well want fuck, bro. But every time I make a girl come link me, bro, a girl just a play around, dog, and they go on like, you know, and give man the thing, bro. You're supposed to know a girl to dog. One girl named Patricia, my youth. Me know the girl, man. Me know the girl still, is me. So solid, fuck it one time before, still me used to fuck you and thing, you know. Dog, that one easy bang still, you know, so I don't know how you have problem. Oh, you fuck your brother? Tell me, show you how me fuck her, but me can tell you how me get for fuck her is in her weak part, her breast them, for your 30 breast them, oh, shit! I mean, always a miss that cue, that's when I always a push up in breast them, so fuck, bro. Me fooling. You get that cue down, hey boy, I want a man slap you on your bum buck, hey boy.